Reduce your salt intake. Sodium, or salt, causes you to retain water and hold it in your tissues. Remove processed foods from your diet, which are more likely to contain high levels of sodium. This includes potato chips, canned foods, frozen foods, and fast food. Season your food with herbs and spices rather than table salt. Avoid eating out. Restaurant food usually contains more sodium than a home-cooked meal. 2. Eat potassium-rich foods. Potassium helps to absorb and reduce sodium in your body. Add foods to your diet that contain a lot of potassium like sweet potatoes, beets, oranges, coconut water, apricots, figs, cantaloupe, raisins, and bananas. Increase fiber in your diet. Experts recommend 25 to 35 grams of fiber daily, but many adults are only getting 10 to 15 grams. Fiber improves the efficiency of your digestive system, allowing you to shed both fluid and solid waste. Fresh fruits and vegetables are a main source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. You need both to have a healthy digestive system. Replace refined carbohydrates with whole grains. Choose high-fiber, whole-grain breads and cereals instead of white bread. Make brown rice, quinoa, and other ancient grains to serve along with your protein and vegetables. Introduce fiber into your diet in stages, since your digestive system may need time to adjust. Add coumarin-rich foods to your diet. Some sources suggest that this naturally occurring compound can help you regulate fluid in the tissues. Limit your consumption of coumarin to small, healthy levels. Sprinkle cinnamon on your cereal or in your coffee, have a cup of chamomile tea in the morning or evening, and regularly add celery and parsley to your recipes. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Make sure you are drinking at least 64 ounces. 1.9 liters of water each day. Although it may seem counterintuitive to drink water when you are trying to lose water weight, increased water consumption can improve metabolism and the functions of your organs. Being properly hydrated will help to flush chemicals, sodium, and other causes of water retention out of your system. This is especially beneficial if your bloating is due to premenstrual syndrome, PMS. If your water retention is due to heart failure, kidney disease, or other medical conditions, speak with your doctor about how much water to drink every day. If you're thirsting for something with a little more taste, try hot or iced herbal teas, or add lemon, lime, or cucumber slices to your water. Avoid sugary drinks, like soda, since your kidneys will need to process the sugar and it will reduce the benefits of the hydration. Avoid high amounts of caffeine and alcohol. A diuretic is a substance that increases how much and how often you urinate, and caffeinated drinks and alcohol are major diuretics that can cause dehydration. Although they can get rid of some water in the short term, they can dehydrate you and cause bloating in high or regular doses. However, natural diuretics like cranberry juice and cabbage can be beneficial in decreasing fluid retention. 7. Take vitamins A and C. These vitamins help to minimize fluid retention by improving the strength of your capillaries, the tiny ends of your blood vessels that regulate fluid levels in your tissues. Vitamin A and C supplements can be beneficial. Oranges, chili peppers, red and green bell peppers, kale, broccoli, papaya, strawberries, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, pineapple, kiwi, and mango are good sources of vitamin C. Vitamin A shows up in sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, winter squash, and the greens of mustard, collard, turnip and beets.
If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.